How to change currency on Steam. If you're looking to change your Steam currency, then the first thing you're going to have to do is simply open up your Steam application on your PC and make sure that you're logged in. The next step is to head over to your profile. Simply click on the profile icon at the top right and then click on View My Profile. Now once you have done that, you'll get to your profile section right here. Then you'll have an option right here on top for account details. Click on it and then here you'll be able to see your account details. So right now, if you haven't added a payment method, what happens is if you've moved to a different country, you may be able to update the Steam wallet and have you view the Steam store. So what this happens is the Steam currency will update based on your location. So if you've moved to a different country, then you'll be able to update the store country. Click on it. Now here you're going to have to provide your details and contact Steam support. So click on Steam support and then what you're going to have to do is click on contact Steam support. Just select the country of your current residence or the country that you want to change to. Click on it and then just briefly explain why you moved there and for how long are you going to be there for. Then if you have any documents that you can attach, you can click here and then send, and then Steam will review your request and then proceed accordingly. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.